boy. I've been watching you like a hawk in the. If I let you
come to my motel, slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abby motherfuckers Sue, and I'm back with another video. Hey you guys, so today I'm doing another hair review. A company by the name of Jaja hair contacted me and asked me to do a review of their hair, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So stay tuned and watch me slay this head of mine. Here is the hair. Got it off Amazon. This is the packaging. It says Jaja hair. It's cute. I like this. Anyway, it says 100% human hair wig. This is the wig. It's 16 inches. It says stretched length. 16 inches. That's pretty short for me. If y'all know me, y'all know I like long hair, but we gonna make it work. So inside comes with a wig cap, and we need that. They have their thingy. It says Jaja hair. This is the wig. Ooh, it's soft. This is soft. This is a 13 by 6 or 13 by 8 lace. That means I could part it anyway I want, which is gonna be fun. It's pre-plucked and stuff, but I'm gonna pluck it some more because no, this is really plucked really well though. Like, it's actually plucked really well. I don't know if you guys can see. The lace is kind of it's tinted, but not tinted enough for my skin color, so I'm gonna fix that. It comes with the combs, 4 combs, and it has lace at the back, and it has the clips if you want to adjust it. This is nice hair. It's really soft. I can't wait to style it and all of that. So let's just get into the video. Without further ado, let's go slay this hair. I just put makeup on my lace to tint it. So now it looks like this. It's darker. Let's see. So now it's ready to go. Okay, so I went and applied my cap, and now I'm gonna apply the wig. Look good, I had to touch it out. That ain't mean you was a keeper.
Only got time for my new thing. Hey, hey. She got nice face and she got some waist, so yeah, she a dime. I don't got time for my old thing. Hey, hey. Keep calling my phone, trying to come to the crib, always in my line. I only got time for my new thing. Hey, hey. She hit a nigga up, yeah, on the late night, said she wanna be mine. I don't got time for my old thing. Hey, hey. She not moved on. I'm just basically trying to figure out how to part my hair and how I want to style it. I think I'm gonna go with some, I don't know. I'm figuring it out. I still my smack on the ass, kill the pussy, no mask, put the pussy in the cast. She pop tags and cop bags, back it up like she in the driveway, ride the dick like she on the highway, all these niggas rap the same, but I'ma do this shit my way, and I got the power like ghosts, got bread, got dough, got toast. hey. She got nice feet and she got some waist, so yeah, she a dime. I don't got time for my old thing, hey, hey. Keep calling my phone, trying to come to the crib, always in my line. I only got time for my new thing, hey, hey. She hit a nigga up, yeah, on the late night, said she wanna be mine. I don't got time for my old thing, hey, 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 hey.
Okay, so I did one side. I'm gonna do the other side now. This is basically how I'm gonna style my hair. I'm super excited. I'm trying something new. It looks good. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to get this look, because I really wasn't going too much in depth with how to do this look while doing this video. So I think I'm gonna save that for another video, so y'all could be styling and profiling too. This is type cute. The sun has been moving all around this room this whole video. This is what we have right now. This is how I want to do it.
She wanna be mine. I don't got time for my old thing. Hey, hey. She not moved on. She know she fucked up. Now she losing her mind. My old thing, she mad. My new thing, she bad. I don't know if we gon' last, but I'm the best shit ever had. Yeah, I'm the best shit ever had.
I got other shit to stress about. I don't want it, you can keep it. Look good, I had to test it out. That ain't mean you was a keeper.
So this is the final look. I was debating whether or not I should curl it, but I'm gonna leave it like this. Put some lashes on so you know it's real. Yeah, I really like this hair, and I like the texture. It's really soft. I love soft hair. That's very important. And I'm not really a huge fan of short length hair, but this looks really natural. I love it, love it, love it. There's no shedding, even though I just did all that plucking and extra stuff. No shedding. My only disclaimer or like con of this hair is that I just wish it was a little thicker. I just wish it was a little bit more dense. I'm not sure what's the density on this hair, but I just wish it was a little bit more thicker. But this density that it does have now does make it look like really, really natural. But I just prefer thicker hair. That's the only con, honestly. Like, this hair is so nice. If you guys want to get this hair, it will be linked down below. Also, if you guys want this set, I have a coupon code for 50% off, and you could get this set. Check the description box below. And if you want to keep your hair underneath your wig healthy, this is how you do it. Heartbreaker Gummies, and I have a coupon code, and the link and the code will be down in my description box. Check out my description box for details on everything. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I really hope you enjoyed this video because I had a lot of fun making it. This was new for me, but I really love it. Make sure you guys stay tuned to my channel because we have a lot more stuff to come. A lot more stuff to come. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.
Baby, won't you come to my motel?